Once you have successfully prepared your grading sheet, you are now ready to push it to our SIS. But before we do that, we have to take note of some of the settings. To do that, click on Grades, and then click on Settings. Click the calculation options. Scroll down and decide which one you will release. Will it be the calculated final grade or will it be the adjusted final grade? In my case, I will stick to adjusted final grade. So from here, we click on the Save button. And then, we are now going to set up the scheme for the final calculated grade and for the final adjusted grade. We click on the drop-down arrow of the final calculated grade and we click on Edit. Scroll down and select now the grade scheme. In my case, I selected percentage. From here, save and close. And then also, select the final adjusted grade scheme. Since this is the one that I will be releasing, I selected here Benilde scheme and then save and close. To compare the two, you will notice that in the final calculated grade, what I am showing here is the percent value, while on the Benilde scheme is set for the final adjusted grade. From here, we click on the drop-down arrow and enter grades. As a good practice, we have to recalculate everything and then select all the items and calculate. Once we successfully recalculated that, we will see saved successfully. And then from here, we will use or select the release all. Click OK. Once we have successfully released everything, you will see here, check, or these items are all checked. This is an indicator that the grades of the students are now released. So from here, click Save and Close. Now let's go to vpn.benilde.edu.ph and then select Grades. Log in using your account. Make sure that in your system parameters, you have selected first term 2021, 2020, 2021. And then on the midterm grading sheet, select your course and then get grades. Click Submit. Once you have successfully loaded the grades, they will all appear here. At this stage, you can now save, or if you want, you can now submit it to the registrar. So that's how simple it is to get the grades from BigSky going to our SIS. Thank you.